how to link PS5 account to Epic Games account. In this video, I'm going to show you how to easily link your PlayStation 5 account to your Epic Games account. And this can be useful if you want to sync your Epic Games account stats and everything like that with your PlayStation 5. And if this video helps you, please consider giving it a like and also subscribe to my channel because that really helps me out. All right, so to get started, the first thing we need to do is open up a browser and navigate to epicgames.com. Check the description, I'll have a direct link down there, so you can just click that and open it up. Once you get there, go up to the top right, select sign in, and then now we just need to log into our Epic Games account. Once you're logged into your Epic Games account, go up to the top right, select your username, and then just simply go down and select account. This will bring you to your account settings for Epic Games. In the left menu, find and select apps and accounts. Then all we need to do here is simply scroll down a little bit, find PlayStation Network, and select connect. From here, it'll show you the account that you're logged into Epic Games with. You just want to confirm that that's the correct one you want to connect to your PlayStation Network, and then select connect account. It'll open up a new window. Then we just need to sign in to our PlayStation account. Once you sign in, it may ask you to approve access to Epic Games from your PlayStation Network, but you may not have to, and you should be brought to a success screen right here on the Epic Games website. Once you see that, go ahead and select continue. It'll then bring you back to the apps and accounts within your Epic Games account where you should see the PlayStation Network connected to your Epic Games account right here. This is also where you would remove or unlink your Epic Games account from your PlayStation 5. So now you've linked your PlayStation 5 account with your Epic Games account. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and please consider subscribing to my channel.